Are you looking to enhance your design efficiency in SolidWorks? Mastering Assemblies is key. SolidWorks is a powerful 3D CAD software that helps engineers and designers create complex models with ease. Assemblies in SolidWorks bring together individual parts. You define relationships called mates, ensuring components work together properly. Planning your assembly structure wisely is essential. Use sub-assemblies to simplify designs and improve workflow. Named views help you organize and navigate your assemblies efficiently. Use the fewest mates necessary to enhance performance. Lightweight components reduce memory use during complex designs. Leveraging patterns saves time and ensures consistency. Implement design for manufacturing early to streamline production and reduce costs. Regularly validating assemblies catches potential issues early. Utilize exploded views for clear communication of how components fit together. Motion analysis tools ensure moving parts function correctly. By following these best practices, you'll achieve greater design efficiency and improved product quality. Start optimizing your assembly designs today for better results. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and follow Pencontentdigital for more expert coding content. See you in the next video.